Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's ADUNNI'S again, and today's video is a bit different because I am doing something I have never done on the channel today. If you're new on my channel, you're welcome, and if you're an OG, you already know how it is over here. So I am doing a try on all from different stores, or let me say different brands in the UK, and it's a lot, both dress, top, jean, and we are just going to try it together and you guys would see them. And for the ones that I can link, I'll leave their link in the description box, and my sisters will be here in the background rating all the dresses over 10 and telling me what they think about it. So be nice in the comment section. Please drop a comment, tell me which one you like. Do not forget to subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. So we'll be starting with this first one that I am wearing. It's a very flowery dress, and what I particularly like about this dress is the neckline, and it is not too long. It's 3/4. I would insert a picture here for you guys to see, and this is what the back looks like. So this one I actually really like. I like the color. It's a bodysuit, so I tucked it in. It's from Shein, and this jean, it's one in town. I'm going to put a picture just so that you guys can see properly, or let me tilt you guys downward a bit so you guys would see. So I actually really like this combination. I really like it. So the jean is from Levi. I don't know. I'll put it on the screen. So what do you guys think? What do you think?
It's nice. It's like casual. Like, oh, let's just go out for drinks or something. Something simple.
It would be big, but I'm just going to wear it for you guys to see. No. So this is what it is looking like. The skirt, the waist is actually big, but I like the color. I like the color. So I'm going to adjust the waist. I have like a very tiny waist, so. But it's so nice. I actually don't have anything like this. So this one I am going to use well. And I feel like this combination is actually, I really like this dress. It has like a silk fabric material, very, very nice. And it's just very simple. It's like almost knee length. I like the color. It's like my color. And the back is just like this. I like this thing going on here. It's from River Island. I just really like it. What do you think?
It's nice. It's very simple. You can wear your silver earrings, like gold earrings, basically. Then accessorize with rings on your finger.
Well, like I said, so if I want to dress up and I don't know what to wear, I can always come back to this video. I told you guys, I feel like pink brightens up my skin.
Yeah.
If you're not saying it, I am saying it. And could you agree?
Nice as well.
This is so nice. It's almost at like my, and it has slits. Oh, I don't know. Let me pin you guys down. Can you guys see? It has slits. It's actually really nice, like very casual, very chic, very, very nice. I actually like the sleeve. But I know that the sleeve is not intended to be this long, but I actually like that it is this long.
It's nice. You can dress it down, you can dress it up.
And it has a belt. So you could actually even use this belt or use another belt if you want to. But look how bright my face is with this color. So I have something else. Don't what? Okay. You guys have heard.
Necklace, earrings.
Yeah, just like something very simple. You guys are actually going to be seeing more of like try on alls on the channel now, because now that I'm infusing more content on this channel. By the way, if you're not subscribed, please do not forget to click the subscribe button. And if you have not started watching the wedding playlist vlog, please, the link will be in the description box. Please start watching. I have so many gists to give you guys, okay? So the next thing I am showing you guys is something very similar to this, but in a different color. Not even going to lie, pink is my color. Like, you guys can tell the difference. Anyways, this one is from River Island. The sleeves are a bit big. That's the design. Okay. It has like it's looking like a wrap dress, but it's not the open wrap dress type. Like it's not fully open. It's just halfway open, and it's 3/4 length. I'll actually have everything. I'll have the pictures on the screen. I'll look for the pictures and just put them on the screen. So this is what it is looking like. I really like it, and because like it's a cool color, but trust me, I'll be wearing more of bright pink, blush, fuchsia color. So this is a chiffon fabric. It's from where? From River Island. So it feels like a very playful evening outfit. I like it because it is not too tight. So it's a kind of outfit that if you're going to stuff your belly, you can wear. It's just very simple and very nice. It's nail length. So I think I have something else, like something very close to this. So I'll try that next. So this is the next one, and you guys can see the brightness. Anyways, it's also from River Island. It's given like a shirt dress, but it's not like shirt dress. I feel like because of the color, then this is just like to give it like the illusion of easy kind of outfit. But if it was just the color, it would be given like a shirt dress. It's also knee length, and this is what it looks like, very free. Right? So this color, I don't have anything in this color, so I'm open to it. It's also a very short dress and very playful. I like it. I feel like if I should add too much of weight, the sleeve might get tight. But I haven't added weight in 10 years. So, because I told my sister that I want to start like taking my fitness journey a bit more serious. She got me this set. I think he sent me a picture. I'm like, okay, I like the set. So she got me this set from Shein. Shein. And it's so nice. Like, it is. Yes, I think. I feel like I don't want to try it on camera. I don't know. Should I try it? Do you guys want to see? I'll try it. Let's try it. So, because it's my first time having like this kind of sets, I like it. So I like the color also. It's like gym friendly color. I also like the fact that my body is not exposed and things like that. I like the texture of the fabric. It's very stretchy. Very stretchy. I like it.
I love it. I steal it.
So guys, that is the end of this video. If you like it and you want me to make more videos like this, please do not forget to leave a comment in the description. Leave a comment in the comment section and check the description box for the links to most of these outfits and also the link to the wedding playlist. Like, why have you not seen it? Anyways, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the very next one. And if you want me to do more of like playful try on alls like this, let me know in the description box. And yes, my Oraimo discount code is also in the description box. If you want to get anything at all from Oraimo, and when you use my discount code, you get 5% off. My words are not together because this wedding planning is... So please subscribe, like, comment, share, drop a nice comment, and I'll see you in my next one. And make sure to watch one more video on this channel before you scroll away. Bye.